The Raymond Magsaysay Award was established in the year blank. Right answer is option D, 1957. Friends, the Raymond Magsaysay Award, which is also considered Asia's Nobel Prize. The award was established in the year 1957 by the trustees of the Rockefeller Brothers Fund based in New York City with the concurrence of the Philippines government. In 1958, Acharya Vinoba Bhave became the first Indian to receive this award. Which of the following is the sites for aerobic respiration? Right answer is option C. Both A and B means mitochondria and cytoplasm. Friends, the sites for the process of aerobic respiration are the cytoplasm and the mitochondria. Aerobic respiration is characteristic of eukaryotic cells when they have sufficient oxygen and most of it takes place in the mitochondria. Cellular respiration begins the cytoplasm with glycolysis. Kirchhoff's first rule of any junction of several circuit elements in an electric circuit is based on the law of conservation of. Right answer is option C, charge. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India provides for the creation of a GST Council? Right answer is option B, Article 279A. Friends, GST Council is a constitutional body under Article 279A. In India, GST bill was first introduced in 2014 as the Constitution 122nd Amendment Bill. It was approved in 2016 and introduced by the 101st Constitution Amendment Act 2016. India's first World Heritage City status was accorded to which of the following city by UNESCO? Right answer is option D, Ahmedabad. Friends, Ahmedabad is India's first World Heritage City recognized by UNESCO. Ahmedabad was the first city in India and the third city in Asia to be included in the list. It received the status of India's first World Heritage City on 8 July 2017. This city was founded in 1411 AD by the then ruler of Gujarat, Ahmad Shah. The headquarters of UNESCO is located in Paris, France. Samveda is considered to be one of the primary sources of Indian blank. Right answer is option C, music and art. Friends, Samveda derives its roots from Saman, which means melodies. It is a collection of melodies. Samveda is the smallest of the four Vedas. The Samveda had 1549 hymns. All hymns, excluding 75, were taken from the Rig Veda. The hymns of the Samveda were recited by Udgatri at the Soma sacrifice. Which scheme has been started by the Ministry of Women and Child Development in the year 2023 more for minor victims of rape? Right answer is option A, Mission Vatsalya Yojana. Friends, Mission Vatsalya Yojana was launched in the year 2009 by the Ministry of Women and Child Development with 3 schemes. In 2010, these were merged into a single scheme known as Integrated Child Protection Scheme. In the year 2017, it was renamed as Child Protection Service Scheme and then named as Mission Vatsalya in the year 2021 and 22. When the speed of a moving body doubles, then what is the change in its kinetic energy? Right answer is option B. It gets quadrupled. Blank is called the powerhouse of the cell. Right answer is option C. Mitochondria. Friends, mitochondria is the cell organelle, also called the powerhouse of the cell. It generates energy molecules called ATP or adenosine triphosphate. Article 32 belongs to which part of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option B, part 3. Friends, Article 32 of the Indian Constitution gives the right to individuals to move to the Supreme Court to seek justice. Article 32 is for the enforcement of fundamental rights. There are 5 types of writs as provided under Article 32 of the Constitution, like habeas corpus, quo warranto, mandamus, certiorari, prohibition. Which type of storage device is a hard disk? Right answer is option D, secondary storage. Friends, there are 2 types of computer storage: primary storage devices, internal memory and main memory are other name for it. It's usually a smaller size. Primary storage includes RAM, means random access memory, and ROM, means read-only memory. Secondary storage refers to memory that is kept outside of the computer, like hard disk, CDs, DVDs, pen or flash drives, SSDs, and other storage devices are examples. Which of the following is also called slash and burn agriculture? Right answer is option A, shifting cultivation. Friends, shifting cultivation is a model of farming which consists of a slash and burn technique, because of which shifting cultivation is also called slash and burn agriculture. In India, it is called jhoom kheti. Which scheme was started by the central government in April 2015 to provide easy loans to small enterprises? Right answer is option A, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Friends, Mudra means Micro Units Development Refinance Agency. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 8 April 2015 in New Delhi. This scheme is under the Union Finance Ministry. Who developed the first polio vaccine? Right answer is option B, Jonas Salk. Friends, Jonas Salk developed the first polio vaccine that came into commercial use in 1955. The first oral polio vaccine came into use in 1961 and was developed by Albert Sabin. Raindrops are spherical in shape because of right answer is option C, surface tension. Friends, the property by virtue of which liquid tries to minimize its free surface area is called surface tension. In a spherical shape, the surface area is minimum, and for this reason, the raindrops are spherical. What does WCCB stand for in the context of environment and forest? Right answer is option D, Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. Friends, Wildlife Crime Control Bureau is a statutory multidisciplinary body. It was created to combat organized wildlife crime in the country. It was established by the Government of India under the Ministry of Environment and Forest. The Wildlife Crime Control Bureau has its headquarters in New Delhi. Ummat art is a folk dance form performed in blank. Right answer is option A, Kurg. How many brightest stars in the constellation called the Great Bear made up of? Right answer is option D, 7. Friends, the Great Bear constellation is made up of the 7 brightest stars. It is also called Ursa Major. Ursa Major constellation lies in the northern skies. Its name means the Great Bear or the larger bear in Latin. The smaller bear is represented by Ursa Minor. Ursa Major is the largest northern constellation and the third largest constellation in the sky. Which one of the following groups produces naked seeds? Right answer is option D, gymnosperm.